So my son and I have a deal about what he gets to wear to school. If at any point during the day it's going to be above 60 degrees, then he can wear shorts. The problem is on days like today when it's 30 degrees outside in the morning and then it goes to 60 for about 10 minutes, it's still part of the deal because I'm a rule follower, but the problem is that this is when he gets sick. And sure enough, woke up today and he's got a cold. Aside from love and hugs, the only other way I know how to help him out is to make a nice batch of homemade chicken noodle soup. So that's what we're going to make today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the pot on medium heat and we're going to take the olive oil, and I work in swirls. So I'm going to put maybe 3 or 4 swirls in there, and then we're going to start adding in the vegetables. We're going to add in 1 onion, 3 stalks of celery, 4 carrots, all evenly diced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 bay leaves, and a couple sprigs of thyme. And we're going to let that start to soften and cook, not brown. And while that's working, I'm just going to show you a quick demo on how I was able to dice up everything so evenly. So the vegetables are nice and softened, and so now what we're going to do is we're just going to add some broth into the pot. I use bone broth to give you a little more protein to help you fight off this cold. And of course, we're going to add a little salt and pepper. So now that the broth is boiling, what we're going to do is we're going to add about 2.5 cups of rotisserie chicken that I just cut up. We're going to put that in the pot. And then because it's already cooked, you just want it to start to absorb some of the flavor in the broth. And then we're going to add about a half a bag of egg noodles to the pot. And the soup, sorry, it's a little loud. And then what's going to happen is when the noodles are done, the soup is done. Because as I said, everything is now already cooked. It just needs to infuse. Taste it. Make sure if you have to add a little bit more salt and pepper. Otherwise, you're good to go. And just like that, Flossin' Foodies, in less than 45 minutes using only 7 ingredients, you can make this healthy, warm, inviting chicken soup that's not only good for my son's cold, but also for your soul. Enjoy and stay healthy. See, cooking healthy doesn't need to be hard. You just need to know a few basic skills. And if you want to keep killing it in the kitchen, join the Flossin' Foodies family by clicking here to subscribe.